Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jamaican lemonade. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 8 cups of cold water, and a small piece of fresh ginger. These simple components are the foundation for a truly refreshing and authentic beverage, ensuring a perfect balance of sweet and tart flavors. Next, let's prepare the lemons properly. Start by washing about 6 to 8 fresh lemons very thoroughly. Then, cut each lemon into quarters or even eighths, making them easier to blend. It is crucial to remove any visible seeds to avoid a bitter taste in your lemonade. Remember, do not peel the lemons, as the zest contains essential oils that contribute significantly to the unique Jamaican flavor. Now it is time to blend our ingredients. Place the cut lemon pieces, about 8 cups of cold water, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger into a blender. Blend the mixture for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, until the lemon rinds are finely chopped. Afterward, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve into a large pitcher, pressing the pulp firmly to extract every last drop of flavorful juice. Finally, let's sweeten and serve your delicious Jamaican lemonade. Add about 1.5 cups of granulated sugar to the strained lemon liquid, stirring until it completely dissolves. Taste and adjust the sweetness to your liking. Some prefer it tartar, others sweeter. For the best experience, chill the lemonade for at least 1 hour before serving. Garnish with fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint for an extra touch of elegance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.